up high, looking down on the Teague. Code name Nappy Dropper.
Did we make special gussets for this with the old ones there? Shit, I forgot it's been recorded. I see ya. So I put the engine in before I put these back tubes in and all that.
Yeah, because it's quite a bit bigger now.
Yeah, it's fucking huge. But I can take the tops of these off, can't I? Leave that clamped in.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure I can't wait to take this fucking coat off.
Yeah, I don't know whether this is right. I was watching all doing some of it. I thought I'd just check.
What was that?
Yeah, I don't know whether this is right. I was watching all doing some of it.
Shut front door. Nobody would send anything. Oil in it.
Got it full up.
Drain it out, I'm having a hard idiot.
I've never watched this engine.
That'll shatter my childhood dreams.
Taking in the Rolls Paris outfit.
That's it.
And you
Me and Jimmy Savile.
Nolan.
Jake could be a little schoolboy.
Stop it now.
No, if I wrote that now, it would shatter my dreams. I fucking wrote that when I was about 15. And now it's really shit.
I could come interested in John Medical.
Why would you want to?
I'll leave you up to that one.
Two parts plan. What's the catch picture? Right. Please don't laugh. Oh, actually, Berkey, there is one bit. I rested the welder down. And I caught the trigger as I put the welder down there and it just went off across the bench. What?
Empty.
Well, that one.
What the fuck did it end up in there?
I didn't fucking go in there.
Well, it's in your toolbox.
What the fuck
I'll check on the fucking camera,
What
brother.
are you doing in my toolbox? Talk to me, boy.
Probably carry on through the village 2 miles and the station on the left. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Darling butter mate. We're darling butter mate. Wait till I've thought. If I finished it.
Why?
I was going to bring a couple of beers for the evenings.
Well, unless we take the generator, we can take a normal fridge.
I've got a generator. I've got a little. Well, your generator's ginormous, though, isn't it? we take a normal fridge? Because I was going to buy in some cheese and pasta.
Yeah, you've got punch in, isn't it?
Right, in the pump I've got 3 little generators, one of them's really quiet, and it does 12 volts, so we can start the van at the end of the weekend.
Yeah, we've got jumping to. Bring your little one and your pub fridge.
I'll put it in my driver now. What, you want me to bring the entire fridge?
Well, it's no point. How can you pull beers with a generator?
Yeah, that's a good point. I'm just thinking, fuck, I'm actually bring... If I've got 2 motorbikes in the back of my van...
Yeah, we can probably fit it in a camper somewhere, like in the front.
Yeah, I'll bring the fridge with me tomorrow then, so I'll get it here. Right, bring fridge. Oh, it's full of beer as well. Oh mate, I've got Prosecco, bit. I was only going to bring a bit of cheese. This is all elaborated now.
Because I've only got like a little box fridge. It's not very big.
Yeah,
I haven't got a fridge in the camper yet.
Well, we'll all use it, won't we?
They're fucking stupid. Well, we'll keep mine for food and yours for beer.
No, we can't be drinking that much. We're on the motorbikes. I'm only going to have 1 beer over the
There's 5
weekend.
of us in there, so that's quite a lot of drink.
I might have a couple over the weekends.
Right, even milk and shit like that.
Yeah. Fridge.